Welcome back to another video. Today I have my special guest. Could you say your name for the crowd? I am gonna cut. Your name's what?
My name is Skibbity.
This is Jay. This is JR. JR. Don't worry, he's coming up with a new name. But yeah, that's his name right now. And me and him, we're gonna, I don't know, show cosmetic. Stop! Stop! We're just gonna look around inside the shop because there was some updates while, at least I was gone. So let's look around and see what we got today. So,
Yeah.
as you can see, this is updated. Ooh. And a lot more stuff we could find. And all that. That's pretty fun.
Mm.
I am gonna work on that. Looks like they do got a plushie. I might get that. Of course, the Cyber Monday, Black Friday sales, which are ending today. We've also the Cyberpunk Cyber Monday bundle. So if you want to be a T-Rex. Looks like there's some toxic waste. Yo, JR.
What?
Yo.
I am the Skibbity of Sigma!
We're not in 2023, gang. Get out! Okay, let's look inside the shop and see what they got. Looks like they got the, let's see what this is called. Stellar Soldier Black Friday bundle. And they got the King Croc bundle, which I have. As it says here. There. They also got the Winter Fox, which of course is gonna be for a while. Some soldier sets. Anyways, yeah, then we got some spring suits. If I can, I'll try to give one to him so he can put on a show for y'all. I don't know if they changed anything in here. But yeah, I'll look at that later.
Echo!
Yay! Oh, I can't echo. Anyways.
No echo.
But yeah, that's what it looks like we have so far. Of course, I have my, god damn it. I did also get some new stuff, so I'll show that for y'all, because y'all are my audience that I love so much. First, we got the zombie gorilla. Ooh, this is a good duo, isn't it? Like a good duo skin. Because, like,
Yeah,
zombie, soldier, zombie movies, like all that. Of course, I got the Croc. I don't really think I should show it. It just has a long nose. For reference, I'll show it with JR. Let me do it for you.
Ah!
You got some other stuff that you do want to look at it. Of course, got the King Croc and outfits, not a lot. And then my hazmat. Anyways, yeah, that's what I got for y'all today. So hopefully, if this gets a lot of good reviews, I'll post a second one with. Where'd he go? Oh, JR. Yeah, JR. But, yeah. And remember, I guess I'll do a slogan. I don't know. Always stay orange.